We apologise for the late start in this program for Tuesday, the 9th of April. I'm Barry Fear. Welcome along to you at St. Ives Community Access Service, wherever you may be watching on the Northern Beaches and the Ku-ring-gai area, Turramurra, and anywhere from Newcastle to the Queensland border. And if you are a new subscriber, we welcome you on board. And now, here's my offsider. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Barry.
And welcome along.
Thank you.
And our opening segment today is healthy eating. Now, we must have healthy food, because if we eat healthy food, we stay well for longer and live for longer as well. So here's my offsider for her opening message about healthy eating.
Yeah, so we only have the energy that we put into our bodies to use. You know what I mean? So it's like if we put good stuff in, then it sustains our body and our mind and allows us to be fully active and engaged in our day.
So a treat, okay, is good, but not all the time. Don't fill up on junk food, because it will not keep us healthy or regular. And our second opening message today on the show is having a good lunch. Now, a good lunch should consist of sandwiches, fruit, and a muesli bar, and maybe some hummus with some carrot sticks. Here's my offsider.
That sounds like a delicious lunch. That sounds like such a great little spread.
Okay, so what you do, encourage your child to eat well and drink well, and try to drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. It may be hard, but try to do it, and try to minimize the tea and coffee. And peppermint tea, ladies and gentlemen, is a good healthy drink too. It helps with digestion. Here's my offsider.
Yeah, so you love drinking your peppermint tea, don't you?
Yes.
And that really helps with digestion, and it's full of antioxidants. It helps with memory and staying alert. It's also relaxing. It's really great for your body.
So, there, and
I like drinking hibiscus tea, which is also really rich in antioxidants.
So, in opening the show today, we hope that you go out to the shops and buy something healthy for lunch today. Here's my offsider.
Yeah, look after your body and do the right thing. Eat healthy, and you'll have lots of energy to interact with the world.
And now on with the rest of the jibber jabber.
The shmooba shmab.
And here we go. Strap into that favorite chair of yours.